Looking to make some extra cash while having a blast? Look no further. In this video, I'll unveil an incredible cash app that rewards you with real money just for playing awesome games. Say goodbye to wasting time on mindless gaming and hello to earning cold hard cash. Discover how thousands of people are already using this app to turn their gaming sessions into profitable ones. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning money while doing what you love. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Imagine getting paid for doing what you love. Make money and earn cash with Ko-fi app. Ko-fi is the right place to make money. Have you ever dreamed of opening your own profitable business, becoming a coffee tycoon, and making money at the same time? Ko-fi is a revolutionary paying money system. Earn coins and convert them to real rewards. As the coffee chef, you get to decide what to bake, how much of it to bake, and who gets to eat the baked goods. Have the highest rating restaurant and make as much money as you can. Receive visitors, serve cakes, muffins, and drinks, and make money in the Ko-fi mobile app. Earn points, convert to real money, and withdraw via different payment methods. Simple and easy option for the withdrawal of the accumulated money through the world-famous sites PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, or other virtual wallets. Direct transfer to your accounts. You can earn rewards anytime and from anywhere. Easy and simple. Don't miss out on the opportunity to earn real money while playing amazing games. Download Ko-fi app now and start winning today. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.